Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Sankey chart in Looker Studio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is open up lookerstudio.google.com and sign into your account. Then from there, open up an existing report or click a blank report to start fresh. So if you are starting fresh, go ahead and connect your data source. Now, I want to go ahead and make sure your data set has a dimension, source, destination, and a metric. This can be value, count, traffic, revenue, etc. Now, once we've done this, I've inserted this world map metrics CSV file. Now, inside, we need to go ahead and click on Insert, then scroll down and click onto Sankey. And now we can position this anywhere inside of this report. I'm just going to put it to the left here. Now, on the right-hand side, we've got the Sankey properties. This is where we can change the chart type. Also, we can show the title, we can color by single color, node color, dimensions, we can change the font, size, color, the link, gradient, node, background, and border. So there's a lot of things we can do here, and click on to setup. We can change the setup here, we can add filters, dimensions, row limits, and all that stuff.